Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Levels. So today there is a really exciting big change that I want to walk everybody through. So first thing is first, though, let's talk about where this is at. So if we jump into the release notes here, what you're going to see is it's on beta, right? So beta.gohighlevel.com. And what is it? It's two things. So one, we have changed the way that the order form looks, and we've added Apple Pay and Google Pay. So this is huge, and I'll show you kind of how this works. So right now on the order form today, there's just a PayPal button and a credit card form kind of shoved on there together. But the problem with that is the second you go in and you add in Google Pay and Apple Pay, right, it changes the flow first and foremost, and that's a lot of payment options to go slap it on the page. So first thing is, notice right here, the PayPal option is actually now a button where when you click it, you can actually slide over and see that option. Let me see if I have a good screenshot of that for you. Okay, perfect. So then it actually slides over and becomes the PayPal option. Now, with that change though, what's cool is we're able to open the door to the other, and of course, obviously the credit card stuff looks like this, just like it did before, but now we can open the door to Google Pay and Apple Pay. So let me see if I get a better screenshot of this actually. Okay, perfect. So this is kind of a squeezed down version of this, but you can see right here, credit card option, PayPal option, and then other payment methods. And so under other payment methods, we have the ability to do Apple Pay as well as Google Pay. And obviously we warn the people, which is sort of true, and we all know this with the flow, that another step appears. So like when you do, for example, Apple Pay, it's specific to Apple devices. This, if you're on a Mac that has Touch ID, this window will pop up, your bank details will appear there, you have to use your finger, all that. And then the iPhone, there's a slightly different process, et cetera, et cetera. But anyways, that is all now part of the action. And so let's jump into the release notes real quick and go through this together. So essentially, going back up first, we've enhanced the user interface. Obviously, pay messages will now appear in both cases. Stripe and PayPal have both been connected. Obviously, there's the PayPal button. Cool, that's great. That's awesome, paves the way. Now, boom, down here. Obviously, again, go to beta.gohighlevel.com to see this. It's not going to be on live. It's not going to be in labs. So ability to allow both Apple Pay and Google Pay using the Stripe one-step and two-step order form. So remember, it's on both of them. This change is only applicable for Funnel version 2.0, which is really important. Obviously, Funnel 1.0 has been gone for a long time, but some of you still have it. There's a way to migrate it. You'll see a button that just says migrate to version 1.0 or 2.0, excuse me. So that's no big deal. Okay, this will not change the capturing transactions in order submitted. All the payments made through Apple Pay or Google Pay will be visible under the order and transaction table. So this is another great enhancement, right? Obviously doing a good job making sure it's all in the reporting like you would expect it to be. The toggle has been provided on the Stripe connection. Integrations allow you to enable or disable Google Pay option on order form. So obviously you'll have that option. The option to pay via Apple and Google Pay will be available under the other payment methods, which I just showed you. And then obviously we have a help article that's in progress with all the details. So anyways, at the end of the day, this is super awesome. It really paves the way for getting these other payment methods in there. And then just quick note, anybody who hasn't heard this already, we're also bringing Authorize.net and NMI to the table here in the next 2 weeks in order to also provide you another option besides Stripe. So anyways, I hope all of you are having an awesome Friday, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.